hoof right now.
Yeah, I'm terrible at
Just show everybody who's the camera guy. Should turn the camera around and be like, it's me, guys.
He's the cameraman.
You see that, Isaac?
Oops.
Oh. See why
Bro,
you got
that
the
is the
glasses
phone.
on? See why we got the glasses on, the safety glasses?
Bro. Imagine if that hit your eye.
Imagine if we were using a hoof boss.
What is that?
That's the grinder.
It's a grinder. The safety glasses are mandatory, even for him. This, he's okay with. But like us.
If I was doing the hoof boss, I would definitely have some safety glasses.
Yeah.
And gloves.
Who's a hook boss?
I'll show you. I'll show you later. It's a grinder wheel.
Ooh.
Let's get her front hoof.
Guys,
Time on her hoof. Yeah? See how it's folded?
yeah, we gotta cut those parts off. It's not comfortable.
Well, slide this hay down. Okay. You take that much off. Nice and tight. There you go. Now come. Yeah, that way. Just get that overhang there. Good job. That was a good cut. Just clean out the middle a little bit. Just give it a scrape. Just use one end to scrape it out. Yeah, like a shovel.
I don't want to hurt you.
There you go. Just swipe it out.
Oh, I can see the sensitive part already.
Mm-hmm. Now you can cut some of that off right there.
I'm gonna try cutting this fold here.
Good job. Good job, man. That's exactly how you do it.
And this is my first time.
Amazing.
Like without that, I was.
There you go. That's awesome. What do you guys think about that?
Really cool. I need to pet the head, so do you think you can try that? Hold her wings
Hold her
down.
wings down and put
and
her up
put
against
her.
your body.
Ah! She's.
So what did you guys learn today with the hoofing and the trimming?
It was actually really cool. I also learned that the little specks can fly in your face.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. They jump
Yeah.
out. So what did you do to stop them from flying in your face?
Wear safety glasses.
Yeah, exactly.
I recommend safety goggles, actually.
Safety first.
Safety first, that's right.
Also that.
Smile.
What's hot? Some of that good Chef Boy RG.
In the sky, you get by.
Hey Ursula. Hey Ursula. That's my girl right there. Wow.